Is the solution video for Unit 5 review, problem number 4. All right, so we're given F and G, and it says round each answer to the nearest thousandth, which will give us a clue, right, that this is a calculator question. Find the slope of the tangent to F divided by G at X equals 2. All right, so we want F over G prime of X, and then we're going to plug 2 in. All right, so F over G. All right, so quotient rule, right, so that says to take 4 sine X plus 5 times the derivative of f, which is 4x cubed minus 3, all right, minus the the numerator, x to the fourth minus 3x minus 2 times the derivative of 4 sine x plus 5, so that'd be 4 times cosine x, all divided by the denominator, 4 sine x plus 5 quantity squared, right? All right, so that is our derivative, and so we want to find f over g prime of 2, right? So now we're really just plugging 2 in here, right? So if I do that, right, I've got my calculator, all right? And so I really just want to type this in. So I'm going to use a parenthesis for the entire numerator. Then I've got my denominator, right? So 4 times the sine of 2 plus 5, right? And then that times the derivative of the numerator. So that would be 4x cubed minus 3. So 4 times 2 cubed minus 3, right? Close parentheses on that. Then minus the numerator. So that would be 2 cubed. Now 2 to the fourth, sorry. All right, let me go back here. X to the fourth minus 3x minus 2. So 2 to the fourth, I got to move that parenthesis. All right, 2 to the fourth minus 3 times 2 minus 2, close parentheses on that, and then times 4 times cosine of 2. All right, and then that closes parentheses on the 4 cosine, that closes parentheses on the numerator, and then divided by, and then I have 4 sine of 2, and then plus 5 quantity squared, right? So plus 5, and then close parentheses on the denominator, and then square it. All right, and so if I do that, all right, I get 3.536. All right, so that is my derivative. 3.536. Now, another way you can do this is using the feature on your calculator to find the numerical derivative, right? So we want to find the n deriv button, all right? And so now remember, if you are depending on which calculator you have, right, you're either going to type in the f of x divided by g of x comma x comma 2, right, or you're just going to plug it in, so depending on the calculator that you have. All right, so I'm going to go to math, right, and then you'll see down here I have the n deriv button. Now I have this calculator, so we're taking the derivative with respect to x of the function f of x over g of x, right, and so that would be 4 x uh, not 4x, right? That it would be x to the fourth, x to the fourth minus 3x minus 2, right? And then we're going to take that and divide it. I need parentheses, sorry. So insert a open parenthesis, and then we'll close it there, and then divided by the denominator, 4 sine x plus 2. All right, is that the correct value? 4 sine x plus 5, sorry. All right, and then we want that at x, we want to calculate that at x equals 2, right? And so notice I get this same value to 3 decimals. It does differ slightly because of the algorithm it uses for that, but it is an acceptable way to calculate that derivative, so 3.536. So we get the same value. All right.